Welcome to Ali. In this tutorial we're going to be creating a quiz in Google Sheets. So I'll just show you quickly my example. Here we have, and I'm just going to click down here on round 1 tab, and my first round is around about the Titanic, and my first question here has an image of Captain Smith and it asks who was the captain of the Titanic, and like I just said, it's Captain Smith. So if I typed in here number 3 to match the correct answer, I will get the word correct, and if I type in the wrong answer, I will get the word wrong. So we're going to be working on formatting our spreadsheet at the moment, just coloring the background and looking at the width of the columns. If you remember, these are columns with letters at the top and rows of numbers on the left. So let's make a start. So on my website, I want you to go to task 2, creating your quiz, and you're clicking here to open a new Google Sheet template. So you click on there and it will open looking like this, and it will ask you to make a copy, and you're going to do exactly that. You click on make a copy and it will take a little time. Make sure you only tap that once and you will get a template of a quiz. Now your quiz is automatically saved once you've opened that spreadsheet, that Google Sheet, inside your drive. So inside your My Drive, you will see that exact same copy stored in your drive. Okay, so to continue editing, I'm going to click on the tab here, and you'll see that there is already a question that is laid out with a flag, and obviously you know the answer to that. And also it's got an area to place your answer and write what's called a formula. Now we'll look at the formulas in another lesson, but today we're going to simply look at the background color of our cells and the column widths. At the moment, as you can see, I've got a narrow column and a wide column, a narrow column and a wide column. So we're going to carry on widening and narrowing our columns. So I want to make this E column a little narrower and our F column a little wider. Can you see when I put my mouse over the join between the two cell columns, I get 2 arrows, and once you click and hold and drag, you can make those smaller or you can make them wider. And that's the first layout for my second 2 questions here. Okay, so we'll have 1 question here, 1 question here, 1 question here, and 1 question here. And next I'll show you how to change the background colors, and that's very simple. We've done that in the previous lesson when we looked at formatting, but I'll show you once again. If you want to change the background color for all of these cells, you click in the top left hand rectangle here, and that will select every single cell, and it shows you it's selected because it's in blue. And if you remember to change the formatting color of the cell, you click on the paint tipping tool here called fill color. Click on there and choose your color, and you'll see that it colors all of those cells. If you want to choose one cell and color it, you just click once and use the paint pot tool and choose your color. If you want to click more than one cell, you click once and then place your mouse in the middle of the cell. Make sure you're in the middle, not on the edge there, in the middle. Click and hold and drag, and you'll see that it highlights in light blue with the blue border. Then change your color by clicking here and click away, and you will see your colors changing. So your task now is to color your cells ready for adding your text in the next tutorial. I look forward to seeing you then. Take care and see you soon.